Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to work on changing out a few different pipe sections that still have the old pipe. They're just kind of clogged up a little bit. Nothing too major, but I just want to get those either changed out or pull them out and clean them out real good. And then just kind of odds and ends today. But everything's working good on the system, getting great water flow even with these restrictions in these short pipe sections. So I'm going to work on that today, and then I'm going to fix a little water line that I kind of cracked a little bit, a real old water line. Just a temporary fix until I get into the bathroom remodel here in a few months. So hope you enjoyed today's clip, today's video. Like, share, and subscribe, and put your questions in the comment section or check out my other content. Alright, I got the pipe sections out. This one's for the the sink. Pretty caked up. This one, this little short piece, is for the washing machine. So I'm going to it's pretty disgusting. Yeah, I think I'm going to it's pretty bad. I think I'm going to go ahead and replace that. I think if I just cut a piece of 2-inch, clean out that other pipe end and put a piece in there. Alright. And then this one, I haven't made my mind up on it yet. I think I'll just clean it out. It's not that bad, and it's a downward pipe. And it will give me a lot less heartache, I think, than replacing it. Subscribe, comments in the comment section. That's gonna do it for today's video, everybody.